The fluorescent light provides a work light to help you better see the workpiece as you use your power tool. The fluorescent bulb should provide hundreds of hours of light before burning out and needing replacement. If the tool is accidentally dropped, the bulb can be damaged and no longer work. Replacing a fluorescent light is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cover from the work light. With the cover removed, I have access to the bulb. To remove it, I just pull it away from the housing. And now I can install the new bulb. And I'll finish by reinstalling the light cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the fluorescent light on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.